Hello everyone. Here you can see I have some particular data which is student subject marks and student names here. Here student subject 1, subject 2 I have taken here and some of the marks here. And here I have created some data validation to just select my list of these names. So if I'm selecting Pradeep, here you can see Pradeep is highlighting and Vanita is highlighting, and you can select the name of other name and this is selecting. So how this is happening? This is happening with conditional formatting. So we have seen several times a normal conditional formatting. This is conditional formatting using a small formula. Let's see how to tackle this one. I have taken same data to show you the example, and first you can select your data something like this and go to the conditional formatting, new rule, and use formula. Here you type a formula is equal to this name in absolute reference is equal to this name, but here you have to remove dollar symbol for particular column. Why I'm removing for column? Because my data, my names are contained in particular column. The row number should change, that means e3, e4, e5, e6 should change, but the column number should not change. So that's the reason I have given dollar symbol for, I'm sorry, we have to give dollar symbol for, yes, this one. This is correct now. Dollar symbol for column. And just give the format. Let me allow yellow color format. Okay. And okay. Now that's all. That's all. Now you can see everything will change. Now what you would like to try is give the data validation of the subject name, and if I'm selecting the subject name, this should highlight. This should highlight. You can try that one. If it is not coming, comment on the section so that I'll explain the answer. And thank you so much.